Hey, what's up, Vibes family? As you know, this is a channel with the most vibes, the one and only Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Now, I'm sure you have all heard this famous quote sometime in your life before, that is mother's babies and father's maybe. Maybe it is or isn't your baby. But what a man supposed to do when he find himself in this position? And then you have some woman swear blind, say the baby belongs to the man. You know me, I say my people, yeah man, them swear blind pan them mother grave, them grandmother grave, them grandfather grave, everybody grave. Say yeah, the man baby. Yeah man. But you don't know what happen. More time, when financial situation get in the way and the woman them know so them a carry the man, got family court and them thing there, been pay child support. Yeah man. You see me, and then them have to go do a DNA test. Yeah. So when them go do the DNA test now, my people, you know me I say, sometimes at this where them here.
You are not.
Yeah, man. And that them here, man. You are not the father. And you can imagine the look on the woman's face. Yeah, man. How could this be a female baby? A female baby. Yeah, man. Yeah. But, just like the talk where they go on over there, me I say people, the whole bun thing, where all sort of people start get jacket. Jacket start coming from all places. We even hear say Andrew Holness must get jacket or him a jacket. Them even say Mr. Olympic, the fastest sprinter in the world, Usain Bolt, them say him get jacket too. And who else get jacket? Yeah man. But people, I come across this thing here and I want to take a listen to these people having, this talk about this whole jacket thing, Yeah, man. And, before we get into the audio, my people, just asking you to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You feel me? Now, make we take a listen and hear what I go on now.
Because she can't go,
No, but that is the problem if you are mixed up with more than one bull.
I know, so you can't mix up, but what if she a mix up then?
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying to you.
And she don't know
that's what I'm saying. If you are mixing up with more than one blood, most likely you know how you have sex. Unprotected or protected. So
but
basically,
what if she have unprotected sex with more than one person?
If you have more than one bull, are good without protecting yourself from them. Then the problem is going to be in your hands, and you have to deal with all the issues then. So when the lady are defending a man fit, go do a DNA, I don't have a problem because that woman is very concerned with that woman. So you cannot blame the woman for doing something like that. There's no way I'm going to blame the woman. You understand me? As I call before and say, that woman is working with the man, a female now.
Right.
So if somebody out there carrying something where them have to go live with, deal with, them have to get the thing right. I'll do on the other hand. These people nowadays, them really more better deal with them show love to the stepfather them more than the right for people them. They show more love and they show more appreciation more than the one where you bring up and carry them to the next level of their life. And them turn them back by more than they want out them. As I notice right nowadays, I can tell you about my experience. I have two and they come like me have it. And the one that will me help and raise and take care and give enough things. And them show me respect and gratitude.
Understand.
So everything out there have its flip and there's other side to it. So it's a really mixed up world we live in with us, Safi. Have strength as a man. Have to deal with some things intelligently. And the woman then feel really, 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 really do better with the man.
I agree.
Because, normal. And that's why some more things really happen out there. Because everything are not working in the right lane. Better in a right lane, and you know the problem is there, more than in not in the right lane. And some people get trigger happy or hard head, mad head or whatever, and deal with some things. And everybody can manage certain stress. Not everybody can manage certain stress.
All right.
So,
Thank
yeah,
you
man,
for
so
coming
bless up on
through.
yourself. Yeah, man. I'm love all the topic, really. Very interested every night, every Tuesday night, every Tuesday morning. Very 100%.
All
Loving
right.
it. Bless up.
So Leela Anderson on YouTube is saying, good night, everyone. Lady, leave people business alone. And Ralston Lyon said, that's why they say mother's baby, father's maybe. Shane Alexander says she needs to stay in her lane. From me accept the child, she should accept the child. Leela again says, I know man take care of a child that is not his, and that child has grown and is now taking care of him, and the bona fide child does not.
So this
Somebody said, wait, hold on. Edric's Gate says, Sham, you can't get jacket, but your Aussie can give you an outside child. Is that the equivalent?
That is true.
I mean,
You can get an outside
me not
child.
join that.
Why you not join
No,
that?
sir.
So if your husband get an outside child, they won't accept it.
Me not accept him.
You mean, you know?
Me feel like say if you're in a relationship, why you go open yourself to get a child out a road?
Things happen, Shamara.
And if you just say, oh, things happen.
I mean, condom can break.
And if you just look on you and say, oh, the condom break.
No,
And that
but
me
if
ask
you come
you.
and explain to you,
Yeah.
and honest enough, him not hide it from you. When
Eh.
him find out, him come tell you.
And if you accept it because he tell me.
You can, if your husband and you love him, you can take him back.
Oh, okay, so because I'm your husband and I love him, if you just work with it.
But me I say
Nobody
things
say up in a
happen.
age, no, no, Sham.
And what you not say?
You can't.
But me, all right,
Worse
and
if
me
you
go
and
flip
him
it.
there
Me
together
go flip
for
it,
a
and
long
my husband
time.
and me, like, me love him, right? And me go, they go give him like a bun and me get pregnant. Him, if you accept it?
That different.
What
now.
the difference?
That different.
What is the difference?
Because now
Mm.
you and the man have it involved in that the child.
No,
the-
what
but the baby
different?
mother I got
I have a
involved.
choice.
Then him never have a choice.
No, probably the woman never want. Yeah.
What the
You
It's
have
a
a
di-
choice.
it's a different
If you
road
go
this now,
cheat
you know.
and get pregnant, your man now if you know say they get pregnant.
So what me,
But if him
It's a
get
different
another
topic, this
woman
again,
pregnant, if she decides
save
that
this.
she want to bring
me
Yeah,
it,
could
next
save this and discuss
You
it
get
next
me?
week. And me I tell you, say something seriously wrong with up here, so.
also,
Something have wrong with you, no?
this person say if my husband get a child outside, it done. Now look on the
Me
man,
no
now
wrong
the
you,
child.
miss. Me no
That's
wrong
my
you.
break.
Me no
Yes,
wrong
that's
her.
your breaking point. That's
Me-
your, that's say you draw the line.
Me
That's
no
a
do. Me
Myrna from Cascade saying bun and jacket are from creation. It
We
can't
have a caller
stop.
online. Let us take that caller. Caller, good night.
Greetings.
Hey, one clap. What's up?
Wagwan Sham.
There.
Lally Wagwan.
Blessed.
College and
Blessings,
Lollipop. Big up on
blessings.
yourself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Wagwan. You must have been running a little situation there one time.
Eh,
Because you don't know Wagwan. You don't know Wagwan. Me have my baby mother and I wanted that woman give me one little sitting on. Me get one of that youth in on. The woman no put the youth in my name, but no, so my youth still cause everybody tell me say, yo, you are picking in the boss.
So you take care of the pitney?
Yeah, of course we take care of him.
And the mother know. All right, so she registered the pitney. She get the pitney one another father. You know, say you're a child.
I'm
So-
my child.
So
I'm
the
still
other father
take
take
care.
care of the child too?
Me don't know, but me still a take care of him.
So you did do a test?
Brother, me don't have to do no
DNA.
test.
You know,
Me don't have to do no test, brother, because the pick me
No,
a
but
dead.
Pitney can't favor you and not feel.
Brother,
You see
the
that
pick
enough
me a
time?
splitted image of me. In favor me more than all I want them in my own.
All right, favor you more than you.
Chama will tell you.
This person said from my husband, me hear him name call pan pregnant woman, I run. Nah, wait.
Sometimes there's something I just
But
talk, you know.
Shamar, I believe say a picnic can favor a man and not favor.
No man, me know cause me watch all paternity court and them something there. Me
Yeah.
see where the child at
Dead stamp.
dead stamp at
I
the
feel like
man.
the paternity court them a real thing.
I
or,
think
or
her
actors.
reenact. Me think them reenact real
Real
life
life
situations. Yeah, but Me know, said the child can favor. Cause I mean, people look like people.
So we're supposed to have put in favor the man
Mm.
and the paternity test. Say on a film. You feel like the paternity test can wrong
That is the next thing.
and end up give that person jacket.
That is the next thing. Why? Why? I mean, me no know.
This jacket thing is sticky bad. Sticky bad.
Well, ladies, you know, I forgot to better. When you can't make him and them a rub you out, so it no look good. It no look good. None at all.
But the years now do this, it don't look like it has
In a year, Myrna say it from creation.
Mm-hmm. From biblical days.
Lord
You
God.
don't believe so?
Boy.
Say from them time there.
No, me not go say I'm from biblical days. Me no know.
Hey. Virgin Mary had a baby boy.
Immaculate conception. Never hear about it. You ever hear about it?
What?
At school.
Explain
Oh,
that.
at our boy, at castle.
No.
At school, at our boy.
Him said the Virgin Mary had a baby boy. Like, you try to question it. It's immaculate conception. And the only one we know about. We don't know about no others. But it happened. It happened.
You believe so?
It happened, yeah. I believe. It happened. I believe.
Different topic, you got for like
Me no
lollipop.
So if a man,
Eh,
there with a woman and he never go there
eh.
and she get pregnant.
But we are talking about
He
biblical.
can't say immaculate.
No, that depends. That depends something.
Yes,
You have to stop it.
Boy, my people, this jacket thing I get out and I guess them even say, I guess what them I say, you know, I guess them I say Jesus must have a jacket too. My backside. No, sir. No, sir, this jacket thing is way out of control. Sometimes I have to laugh though, I not lie people. You know me I say, but it's real out there. You know, me I say it's real out there, but you know, let me know one thing. Just forward in the comment section and leave a comment about what you think of this whole jacket topic here. You feel me? Yeah man, just let me know what you think in the comment section, people. You know me I say, yeah, and with that said, people, as you know me say, as always, walk good, talk good. Yeah man, and we checking out in the next video.